Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps. Make sure your iPhone and the display are on the same Wi-Fi network, because AirPlay needs local network access to stream reliably. Next, enable AirPlay or screen mirroring mode on the receiving device so it's discoverable. Once done, swipe into Control Center and tap the screen mirroring icon. You should see the receiving device listed. If it's password protected, have the code ready so you can connect immediately. After selecting the target device in the screen mirroring list, you'll observe a short negotiation as AirPlay establishes an encrypted stream. This ensures video and audio sync. Make sure orientation and volume match the content you'll show, and choose full mirroring for the whole screen or use an individual app's AirPlay button to stream only that app. If performance lags, collapse background apps and lower video resolution in the streaming app to reduce network load and improve stability. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring so the session closes cleanly and resources free up on both devices. If mirroring fails, first toggle Wi-Fi on your iPhone or restart the receiving device. That often clears temporary network conflicts. Make sure iOS and the receiver's firmware are current, because updates fix AirPlay compatibility and performance. If you still can't connect, try moving closer to the router or use a wired receiver option to eliminate wireless interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.